So I just want to talk to you guys real quick about something. Found some old photos uh, of when I used to live in South Florida. Well, I'm still in South Florida, but when I was younger, around 14 years old, 15 years old is when I kind of got into cars. This is the same time I was watching Fast and Furious. You know, internet was new. Got my first computer, got my permit and stuff like that. And you know, I was exposed to the car scene. I wasn't really into it like really bad until I want to say Fast and Furious came around, and then like I said, exposed to the car scene. So I want to show you some pictures of cars that kind of got me, you know, really into the scene. This is one of my family friend's EG. At that time, it looks like he tried to do a Euro theme with the rear bumper, kind of mimicking the EK. So that was really nice to see that red hatch. Like, I know these pictures look kind of like crazy, but at the time I really liked it, and it just looked so damn cool. And then here is a picture of my brother's first Civic hatchback, the EG hatch. This was automatic, but it was just so clean. The body was so damn clean. I was sitting there thinking it was like a brand new car. And like, to think back, I think he paid $2,500 for this back in the day. And if you find something like this now, it's probably like $7 grand. You know, more pictures. And if you look closely on this one in the back, there's actually a 4-door Integra that my neighbor had. So that was pretty cool. Just going through them, it's kind of like bringing back memories. Very nostalgic. At the time, my older brother had a lot of friends, little car friends, and he actually blew that I don't think he did it, but his buddy blew up that teal EG hatchback. And it's just kind of funny that it all went down, because it's automatic, and they kept playing with the little automatic D1, D2, D3, and it blew the tranny. So it was parked, but that didn't stop my brother from buying another hatch. He actually did. This is a repainted one, I think it was like black or gunmetal, but it was repainted. You can see the green hatch parked in the background. This was actually 5-speed, and also very cool. He loved this car. He drove it everywhere. Like, I loved it. I love the EG hatch. It's probably one of my first love for the whole thing, but not sure what happened to it. I don't remember the story behind it, but I think he ended up selling that car because he wanted to swap it, I think, for something faster, and it would just cost too much money, from what my understanding is. So what's the next best thing when you upgrade from an EG? Integra. This was a 95 LS Integra. This one, it's got the newer bumper on it already, but that's because I'm trying to sort through all these photos. I'm trying to find the one when he first bought the car. Anyway, here it is. The iconic rear orange taillight, rear end. Clean, for the most part, black interior. We all know how the Hondas are. The black carpet always fades and looks like that. Very, I would say, kind of rare wheels, to be honest with you. I like these. Very small. I think these were 15s, maybe 14s, to be honest. Oh, here we go. And that's the front end of the car. Looking really nice, a little saucy, very nostalgic. Like, it's bringing back memories. That's when the modifications start coming in. We started spray painting his wheels gunmetal, like that. Picked up the 99 or 98 to 2000 bumper in his bedroom. Where is it? I got pictures. There we go. Sanding it all down in my backyard. My mom killed me, but we used like the patio furniture and like painted it with like Dupli-Color spray paint. Oh my god, it's so funny. Just to kind of go through these photos, it just made me laugh, man. Like, oh, and then we went ahead and freaking just primer painted the side skirts too, because they were like textured black. I don't know, my brother just went crazy with it one day, you know, like, oh, here's a good comparison, you know, Like here's the black side skirts and here's the white side skirts. I'm just going through these photos and it's bringing back a lot of memories, and eventually I took over the car. My brother did these mods. He got the Type R lip on it also with these Walmart fog lights. I thought they were pretty cool at the time. And here it is again. And I got the white Fat Fives on there, and painting it white. So it's very nostalgic. But you know, that was my first car, the white LS, and that's the early stages before I actually went crazy with it. That car got in an accident, which I don't really have any photos of it. I don't know why. I think this is kind of like MySpace days, so all that's kind of trapped somewhere. But during that same time, I did see a car that I really loved. Also, a family friend, the one that owned the red EG, he brought this over. It's just so nostalgic to see this on like a freaking picture. Like to see like this developed, it's just so crazy, because we can just take pictures on our phones and stuff now. Everyone could buy a DSLR now, but this was just the Kodak moments, you know. This is what made it. I don't know what happened to this car. He might have sold it, but I loved it. It really meant something growing up, and I went through a lot of cars. I mean, I have the S2000 now because in my you know, my teens, this was one of the cars I couldn't afford. It's like an NSX to me. Now it's just unobtainable. But now I get older, and then you save up money and you have the opportunity to buy them. But it is tough. It is tough with how the market is going, and I struggle to understand how all this is unfolding. Cars that are worth like $5 grand before are worth like 20 now. Even the Skyline that I used to own, that was easily 30,000. Now it's double in price. So the dollar is crazy, inflation is crazy, value of everything right now is crazy. So but I realize sometimes you gotta make those sacrifices financially to, you know, get what you can when there's an opportunity. And I'm here to tell you that today's the day. You know, I'm glad I'm here to show you guys these photos, because of these moments captured on camera gave me the decision to pick up my first Integra Type R. Stay tuned.